How to make a tied head wrap. I'm cutting my fabric to 5 by 36 inches, but how long the fabric really depends on the size of the head wrap you're making. I'm going to cut a little bit off right here, fold it over 5 inches 2 times. Next, I'm going to do 5 pinches from top to bottom. To hold this in place, you can use an elastic hair tie, but I'm using thread. I'm going to wrap it around a few times and tie it in the back. For the next part, you're going to need either a piece of cardboard or an actual head wrap bow board. If you're interested in the sizing that I use for my bow boards, I will have that linked below in the description. This is the size of the board I'm using in this video today. I do not sell the boards in my Etsy shop, but there are several other sellers that do. Once you have the board you're going to use, you're going to want to wrap this part around up towards the top and then tuck it behind the bow. Now you want to neaten that part up. So you're going to fold the sides in towards each other so it looks nicer when it goes over the front of the bow. Now pull that flap so that you can pull this part down. And then you're going to take this part and tuck it right here to form a knot. And all that's left to do now is just to pull so that the middle's tight, adjust, cut your fabric, and you're done. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and would like to keep seeing videos like this one, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.